Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create interfaces with Claude Design since the feature is newly released like 10 days ago, which is in 17 April. So in this video I will show you how to use it, how to create with it the first impression together. So all what you need to do is just go for Claude Design here, press Claude Design, go for the first link, Introduction Claude 1, try Claude, and I have already a professional one, so professional membership. So all what you need to do, guys, which is to have a professional membership, to have a professional membership of the cloud, to have the I will skip intro here. So to have the access to this cloud design, so all what you need to do, we can identify like slide disk from template or prototype. So or here you can have example, you can have design system creations and so on. So it's gonna be wireframing here. It's gonna be this project. I will just name the prototype as wireframe, or high fidelity, which is similar to website. So it's gonna be creating that, and here you need to create anything related to this thing. So create for me a landing page related to how to invest in cryptocurrency, and you go for the sound if you have files to create like some references, something like related to anything and so on. You will have some parameter here. Is gonna be sonnet. I will opus 4.7 is gonna be the most powerful model of the cloud. So you can design, have start with context, which is a screenshot, attach code base, drag in Figma file. So it's gonna be sending here. So it's gonna be having some questions about the cryptocurrency investigation. So I will use which is the core product angle. Is gonna be education platform, courses and lesson. Who is the target audience? Is gonna be total, like never investing people. Tone and vibe is gonna be bold and literary, explore of an option. I'm gonna be modern and friendly. Visual direction is gonna be dark mode with 9 electronic accent. Which sector you want here with CTA and live market tickets, recursive learning path, how it works, and FAQ, and also footer with new letter sign up. Also pricing, interactive elements introduced, element price chart in euro, interactive risk tolerance quiz, and like this. So great, guys. How it's gonna be perfect like this, gonna be benefits your things, and the more data you income and the more data that you provide is gonna be insane design as output as the result. So how should I present options? One, polish it landing page, two variations side by side on Canva, three variations side on Canva. Is gonna be one page per let's say, or just to decide for me, it's gonna be letting him for decide. So here is gonna be the creation phase. I'm gonna be waiting for him. I'm just pause the recording and I will come back if there is anything related. It's gonna be setting everything here. So I will back as soon as possible here, guys, after the finish line. So guys, after the the waiting time, I'm so impressed by the result, to be honest. So this is all the checkpoints, the parts and the logos and so on. So all what you need to do, which is you can scroll through this landing page. You will have this script 4 steps party experience, a path from 0 to confident. Each one is clickable. Try them, no sign-ups. The investing tool. Holy shit. Like there is Q&A, which is having the output that recommended for you. Pay for the value, not for volatility. Interesting. This is the pricing section, the honest answers, which is the frequent answered questions, and here is the footer. Holy, I really like everything here, and you can make some tweaks. The tweaks, which is the colors, you can change the pink, the amber, or you make a custom color here, The font scale, which is if you want to make the font scale clear, market ticker, I remove it, which is this one. To be honest guys, I really like the output, I really like it. So here you will have draw things, you will have the edit, and there you go guys. This is the first impression about the Claude design. To be honest, the first time I'm testing here with you guys, I really like the output. It's gonna be a lot of time saving for you guys as founders, and also if you are UX designer or UX UI designers. I'm really impressed about the output. You can check if anything that you don't like it, you will just press for once again for it. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel guys.